School's been in session for a few weeks now, but construction continues near Whitmer High School. Dominique O'Neill checked in with Washington local schools about the delay in the project and the overall goal of the work.
Washington local school superintendent tells me this project along Whitmer Drive has been in the making for the last couple of years. It's to add an extra added safety measure for students.
We have 3,000 kids on campus, so that was busy. Parents dropping off, kids pulling in. So working with the city of Toledo, they, agreed to relocate Whitmer Drive to make it safer for our kids, and we're very excited about the project.
Washington local school superintendent Christy Martin says the district had hoped to finish construction on Whitmer Drive earlier, but despite the delay, they've been able to adapt.
So we really hoped that it was going to be completed this summer, but with all projects, there's ordering and materials and personnel issues, so it is running a little later than we'd like. We didn't want it to run into the school year, but it has, so we've put together some accommodations. We're making the best of it.
Now with this project, it means Washington local schools will shift the location of Whitmer Drive in the adjacent parking lot. Plus, there's a roundabout.
It's a safety measure, so kids don't speed up and down Whitmer Drive. So we're actually happy about the roundabout. Our kids in drivers that do learn about how to drive on a roundabout, so that's been a little bit of an issue online, but really it's safer for the campus.
Martin says other intersections in the area will be relocated, and the crosswalk at Alexis is being moved to align with the new road, giving kids a safer way to cross the busy street.
The end of the project is a privacy fence that goes the entire way along with some greenery, so it will be a beautiful project when it is all done.
Superintendent Martin tells me this project is projected to be completed by early November. Reporting in Toledo, Dominique O'Neill, WTOL 11.